There is no comparison to homemade pickles versus store-bought. Homemade wins every single time. This is super easy. It's about 10 minutes to make, and then you gotta refrigerate it overnight. Then you end up with the perfect crispy pickle. Let's make homemade fresh pickles, baby. I'm gonna be using Jerusalem cucumbers, plus tons of great herbs and spices that I'll get to in a minute. First thing we wanna do is sanitize our jar. Anything with a tight sealing lid. I chose boiling water. Don't make that mistake, because as soon as you turn it over, it's gonna explode and burn yourself. So don't do that, let me be the idiot. Then we're going to chop the ends off of our cucumbers, plus just give a quick chop to our garlic so it exposes the inside. Then we're gonna take 1 cup of apple cider vinegar and 2 cups of water, bring that to a simmer with our spices. We're gonna put into that our red chili flake, our celery seed, and our mustard seed. Once that comes to a simmer, take it off the heat immediately. Then we start layering our jar. We're gonna put some of our garlic, and we're gonna shove as tight as we can, as many cucumbers into it as we can. Plus our dill. Again, this is all about layering and stuffing. So get as much dill as you possibly can. You cannot have too much dill for this pickle recipe. Then we're gonna throw some more garlic, more dill. We've got some allspice that we're gonna throw in there. Once we've cooled off a little bit, fill that all the way to the top, as close to the top as you can, seal it, and put it in the fridge overnight for 24 hours. And then 24 hours later, you could go longer if you want, but all you need is overnight to 24 hours. And then you get this murky jar. Don't get freaked out if it looks like something that you pulled out of your rain gutter. I promise this is what it's supposed to look like. All right, let's get my first smell. This isn't set up either. This isn't like I did this once before already and I'm just doing it for camera. I don't know how much you like pickles, but this is what I believe heaven smells like. The brine, all those herbs, the allspice berries coming through. I think I'm gonna save this pickle juice too, and I can use this to brine chicken, but this looks absolutely, you know what? I'm not gonna be an animal. All right, let's pull one of these puppies out. First bite, let's see what happens. I'm actually kind of nervous because I was never good in science class. This could go wrong. It smells right.
It smells right.
A little bit of sour, salty, kind of the perfect mix. That dill and all those spices are really, really shining through. And it's got a nice crunch. You know, the real test. Babe, can you please come try this to make sure I'm not crazy? Get by the camera, wait. Have you never...
It's crunchy, tangy, pickly. Oh my god! Oh, good.
Just that's good?
Yeah, it's good.
Right,
I mean, yeah, it's good.
She's
it's
Jewish, so I believe what she
I have like high standards.
If you buy pickles, cool. But if you want to be pickle king, you want to be the pickle master, make your own. There is no comparison to homemade pickles.